The White River Formation, aging 30 to 40 million years old, famous for oligocene animals such as horses, turtles, marsupials, and much more. On this day, June 1st, Chris found a tortoise in pristine condition in a sandstone concretion. We had to carry the tortoise quite a way, so Chris began breaking off some of the sandstone to make it lighter. After about 30 minutes, we began carrying the tortoise to the truck. It now lies at the Whiteside Museum of Natural History in Seymour, Texas.